Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to keep background conversation going in other app using GPT. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your GPT app, which is the AI on your phone. Once you open this, then you tap on this two-line button at the left top corner. You tap on it, then you come down to the last under the name option, which is Martins. Then this three-dot icon, tap on it, then you scroll down a little, then you find this option which is background conversation. Then you tap on the background conversation, and this actually helps you to keep the conversation going while you are in other app and you want the conversation to keep on going between you and the GPT app, or probably when the screen is off you still want to continue the conversation, so you want to run a background conversation within the GPT app, or instead of you leaving the app to do other thing, you still want to keep the conversation going underground. So this is how you can do it. Just toggle this on, and whenever you're having a conversation between you and the app, then you can just slide into another app and other stuff, and the conversation will still continue. And that's it. Find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.